Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayo. FPSC is going to conduct very important written test for the post of lecturer statistics for the female. Dear respected students, today I will discuss very important tips for you. Please keep in mind you have 8 important days. Today you can join my session and I assure you that written test session will be very beneficial, fruitful, handy and vital for you. Actually, I will discuss 50 marks for the statistics portion. And in this we have main important 12 topics: measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, index numbers, probability, probability distributions, regression and correlation, sampling techniques, inference, experimental design, ANOVA, and then you have presentation of data and time series. Now I will discuss very important a few things with you. Actually, that paper will be conceptual. I believe if thousand of students, thousand of candidates apply, a few students, 100 students, 200 students pass the written test. And these are the lucky students actually who have done the conceptual study, who have the concepts of the statistics portion. For example, I will discuss measure of central tendency. Some important points I will discuss with you. For example, all measures of central tendency, actually the average which measures the center of the data, the value about which all the data is located. Actually, all the data has a central value, the balancing point, that is called the measure of central tendency. And all the measures of central tendency like mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median and mode, they are dependent upon origin and scale. They are affected by origin and scale. If you plus minus, add or subtract, multiply and divide, they are affected. And all the measures of dispersion, range, standard deviation, variance, all these, mean deviation, these are independent of origin. They are not affected by plus or minus, but they are affected by scale, multiply and divide. Then arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean are equal when we have same values like 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And whenever we have distinct positive values, for example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean. Geometric mean is always greater than harmonic mean. If we have two numbers a and b, arithmetic mean will be a plus b over 2. Geometric mean will be a multiply b under the root. Harmonic mean will be 2ab over a plus b. And a very important concept, arithmetic mean, actually you will have to discuss. It is easy to calculate, it is easy to find. It can use all the values of the data. And if you have two modes, it is called bimodal. If you have one mode, unimodal, in that way you can understand, you can revise your concepts. Then in the dispersion, actually what is dispersion? The scatterness of the values around the central value is called dispersion. It has two main types: absolute, relative. Absolute, we have range, maximum minus minimum. It is independent of origin but not scale. Then we have standard deviation, mean deviation. We have variance is actually the square of standard deviation, mean deviation. And then we have the relative measure of dispersion like coefficient of range, coefficient of mean deviation, coefficient of variation, standard deviation over mean multiplied by 100. And a very important concept, very important MCQ, coefficient of variation is independent of scale but dependent upon origin. Whenever we add a value, coefficient of variation is decreased. Whenever we subtract a value, CV is increased, and it is independent of multiply and divide. It is independent of scale. Then the range of the coefficient of skewness for Bowley's formula, the range of coefficient of skewness for Cole-Pearson method, their formula, then 5 number summary, box plot, histogram, graph of time series is called histogram, graph of frequency series is called histogram, then index numbers. In index number, we have a device which measures the change in one or more variables with respect to time and space. If we measure the change in one variable, it is simple index number. If we measure the change in two or more variables, we have composite index numbers. Then we have Lasphere index number, which has upward bias, because we have summation P naught into Qn, and Pasteur's has downward bias, because we have in Lasphere we have summation P and Q naught. That's why we have upward bias. In Pasteur's we have summation P naught Qn, and we have downward bias. Value index number has no bias. And time reversal test, which is P naught and multiply P n naught equal to 1, it is satisfied by Fisher and Marshall. And factor reversal test is satisfied by Fisher index number. Fisher index number is also called ideal index number. Then it is Fisher index number is L multiply P under the root. And circular test is not satisfied by Fisher index number. It is satisfied by Cayley's index number. Cayley's, a very important one. Bowley's index number is the average of Lasphere and Pasteur's. Then probability. Probability has main axiom. Its range is -1 to +1. Its sum is 1. And probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B when A and B are two mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events are always dependent, and not mutually exclusive events may or may not be. They may be independent, they may be dependent. Dear students, do join my vital and important session and must comment on today's video. Assalamu alaikum.